me about yourself. 4 simple words, right? But for many English learners, these 4 words are the ultimate final boss of conversation. Your heart starts racing, your mind goes blank, and suddenly you forget every vocabulary word you've ever learned. You end up saying, I am Maria. I am a manager. I like coffee. But you are so much more than just a job title and a caffeine habit. Welcome back to Speak English Now. I'm Sarah, and today we are going to transform the way you introduce yourself. Whether you're at a high-stakes job interview, a casual networking event, or just meeting a new friend at a cafe, I'm going to give you the exact scripts, the vocabulary, and the confidence formula to make sure you leave a lasting impression. By the end of this video, you won't just be speaking English, you'll be owning the room. Before we start the present, past, future framework, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We release deep dive lessons like this every week to help you find your voice in English. Ready? Let's get into it. Phase 1, the mindset shift. Before we talk about grammar, we need to talk about your brain. The biggest mistake people make is trying to translate their life story from their native language into English. English communication is about clarity and relevance. People don't need your entire biography, they need the highlight reel. Think of yourself as a brand. What are the 3 things you want people to remember about you? In English-speaking cultures, especially in professional settings, brevity is power. We want to be concise. That's a great vocabulary word for you. Concise, giving a lot of information clearly and in a few words. Phase 2, the present, past, future framework. If you struggle with structure, use the PPF formula. It's a lifesaver. 1, the present. Start with where you are now. Instead of, I am a teacher, try, currently, I'm working as an ESL instructor in Madrid, where I help professionals polish their business communication. 2, the past. Briefly mention how you got there. Phrase, my background is in, or before this, I spent 3 years at. Example, my background is actually in linguistics, which is why I'm so obsessed with how people learn languages. 3, the future. What's next? This shows ambition and personality. Phrase, moving forward, I'm looking to, or I'm really excited about. Example, moving forward, I'm hoping to specialize in corporate training and perhaps write my own curriculum. Now, context is everything. You wouldn't talk to a recruiter the same way you'd talk to someone at a birthday party. Scenario A, the professional pitch. In a professional setting, we use action verbs. Don't just say, I did this. Say, I managed, I developed, or I spearheaded. Sarah's pro tip, use the word spearhead. It means to lead an attack or a project. It sounds very impressive. Example, I spearheaded a project that reduced company costs by 10%. Scenario B, the social setting. Socializing is about hooks. You want to say something that makes the other person ask a follow-up question. Weak, I like traveling. Conversation killer. Strong, I'm a bit of a travel junkie. I actually just got back from a solo hiking trip in the Andes. Now the other person has 2 hooks to grab, solo hiking or the Andes. Now, let's do a quick direct correction session. I see these mistakes all the time with my students. Mistake 1, the dead-end sentence. User says, I live in London. Sarah says, add a Y. I live in London, which is great because I love the live music scene here. Mistake 2, overusing I think. Correction, use in my experience or I've found that. It sounds more authoritative. Mistake 3, humble bragging. Advice, it's okay to be proud. In English, being direct about your achievements isn't usually seen as arrogant if you use facts. I want you to remember that your English doesn't have to be perfect to be powerful. When you talk about yourself, intonation matters more than perfect grammar. If you sound bored by your own life, your listener will be bored too. Lower your pitch at the end of sentences to sound more confident. Use pauses. Pausing is a sign of a high-level speaker. It shows you aren't rushing because you're nervous. We've covered a lot today. We talked about the PPF formula, the power of action verbs, and how to use hooks in social situations. But watching this video is only 10% of the work. The other 90% is practice. I want you to go down to the comments right now and introduce yourself using the present, past, future framework. What are you doing now? What is your background? And what is one goal you have for the future? I will be going through the comments and giving feedback to as many of you as I can. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow so we can keep making free lessons for you. I'm Sarah from Speak English Now. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.